Okay, first of all, you have to read the topic at least 3-4 times so that you understand the topic. Remember, for essay writing, they will check 4 things. Number 1, task response. Task response is how thoroughly you cover the topic. Task response means your ideas, and they should be mature ideas. And remember, you are writing for global audience. Your examiner, your writing examiner is not going to be the one from your own country. That examiner can be from Australia, from Canada, from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So you have to write for global audience, the first thing. So task response is the first thing which you need to see. After that, we've got coherence and cohesion. Coherence and cohesion, that means paragraphing, that means connectivity of ideas, right? When you write the paragraph, main idea, explanation of main idea, example, and conclusion. So these things come under the umbrella of coherence and cohesion. Then we've got lexical resource. Lexical resource means vocabulary, the words that you use when you write your essay. So try to use a variety of simple words. Just last week, a student of mine got 7 band in IELTS writing. Okay, I will share her writing with you. She was from your class. Last week she finished her exam and she got 7 band in writing. So when you look at her writing, there are minor grammatical mistakes also. Okay, but overall she's got a smooth level. So I have arranged 4 writing tasks she gave us here, and I will share them with you. You can just go through them and see how to write at a band 7 level. So simple language. Don't try to stuff your essay with flowery words, flowery sentences. These things will bring your band score down. Try to be natural. The way you write English, improve your tenses, improve your grammar, understand the topic, read all these essays from here, and you can get a reasonable band score. Okay? So, yeah, this is one criteria, and last criteria is your grammatical range and accuracy. For that, you need to learn to make compound sentences, complex sentences, and conditional sentences mainly. If your target band is 7, 8, 9, then compound, complex, conditional. For 7 band, you can make compound and conditional mainly. It's gonna be okay, right? Conditional, if you do this, if people go to a foreign country, something like that, okay? So you can learn conditional sentences in 10 minutes YouTube video, you can watch them, and compound sentences, right? And again, be natural. If you want to get good band score, don't stuff your essay with a lot of extra words, a lot of vocabulary, which is not related to the topic. Now we see how to read and understand the topic. When you read the topic, it's a good idea to translate it into your native language. For example, festivals. Most people have forgotten the meaning behind traditional or religious festivals. Now think. Yeah. Most people have forgotten the meaning behind traditional and religious festivals, like we've got Eid festival. Many people sleep on that day. So they don't know the meaning and traditions. Like we've got Independence Day, and what do people do? They ride their bikes on one wheel and without silencer and all that. So we have forgotten the meaning behind traditional or religious festivals. Now you need to see, okay, yes, I think this is right. Next, during festival periods, people nowadays only want to enjoy themselves. Now there is a group of people who just want to enjoy. Whether it is 14th August, Eid, anything, they just want to enjoy. So people nowadays only want to enjoy themselves. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Now you have to tell them, to what extent do you agree or disagree? What does it mean? You have to cover 2 things. What you agree with and what you disagree with. Both things should be covered. If you only agree and you don't talk about disagree, then your essay will get low band score in task response. So you need to see to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement. Now let's see. And you need to use vocabulary. Now let's see what's the word group where you need to use good vocabulary. People have forgotten. For forgotten, you need to know some other words. People don't remember, they don't know how to, they have ignored, things like that. Then the next word is traditional. Traditional, local, part of society, national. Then religious. So festivals, you need to know other words for festivals. Okay, then you need to know events, exactly. Then you need to know the words for enjoy, happiness, joy, excitement. So you need vocabulary. So in actual exam, yeah, one more thing, a student, his paper was cancelled because he had written a lot on question paper. So don't write a lot on question paper, whether it is listening question paper, reading question paper, listening question paper, don't write a lot. It's not that you take question paper as your rough sheet and you write half of your essay on the question paper and then you write it. So if you're taking paper delivered IELTS, only underline the words and then see I have to use the synonyms of these words, okay? Now, first paragraph. Some people argue that, you may copy this sentence, some people argue that we no longer remember. See that? For forgotten, the word is we no longer remember the original meaning of festivals, comma, and that most of us treat them. What do they mean by them? Festivals. As opportunities to have fun. What is the word for enjoy? Fun. So what are we doing? In one sentence, we have paraphrased the topic. Whatever the topic is, first sentence is to paraphrase that topic. While I agree, this is called thesis sentence. You're going to tell the examiner your point of view, whether you agree or you disagree. While I agree that enjoyment seems to be the priority during festival times, I do not agree that people have forgotten what these festivals mean. What does it mean? People still remember. They know how to enjoy. They value these festivals and all that. So in two sentences, we have written our introduction. One sentence is paraphrasing of the topic. Second sentence is your opinion. Now, first paragraph where we are going to tell them what we agree with. On the one hand, religious and traditional festivals have certainly become times for celebration. In the UK, now you can give example, you can create example from your own country. In the UK, Christmas is a good example of a festival period when people are most concerned with shopping, giving and receiving presents, decorating their homes and enjoying traditional meals with their families. Most people look forward to Christmas as a holiday period rather than a time to practice religion. So, I mean, they only know, wow, full weekend, long weekend, and all that, okay? Similar behavior can be seen during non-religious festivals, such as Bonfire Night. You may talk about 14th August, Independence Day, and all that. People associate this occasion with making fires, watching firework displays, and perhaps going to large events in local parks. In other words, enjoyment is people's primary goal, right? This is one side. However, I disagree. So this is what you disagree with. So they said, what extent do you agree or disagree? Now, however, I disagree with the idea that the underlying meaning of such festivals has been forgotten. In UK primary schools, children learn in detail about the religious reasons for celebrating Christmas, Easter, and a variety of festivals in other religions. Now, this person has written according to his own religion, according to UK. So you may talk about your own religion like this, it's okay. For example, in late December, children sing Christmas songs which have a religious content, and they may even perform nativity plays telling the story of Jesus' birth. Families also play a role in passing knowledge of religious festivals, deeper significance on the next generation. The same is true for festivals that have a historical background, such as Bonfire Night or Halloween, in the sense that people generally learn the stories behind these occasions at an early age. So you may talk about Eid festival, you may talk about the holy month of fasting and all that, okay? In conclusion, although people mainly want to enjoy themselves during festivals, I believe that they are still aware of the reasons for these celebrations. So this is the opinion of the person. There they said people nowadays only want to enjoy and they have forgotten the importance. But this writer says people know the importance, although they want to enjoy, but they know the importance. So like this, you can read some more essays, okay, and this is going to help you. And see, hardly there can be a couple of words which are difficult, and if you want me to rate this essay is going to get 8, 8.5 or even 9 because it's flawless, and by the way written by examiner. Okay, good.